So we made it down to the shop. Assassin is there. Not really. Well, she needs an oil change, and I need to empty out the meth that's inside of the tank. And yeah, let's go. Alright, so Assassin is due for an oil change before hitting Dyno. So I'm gonna bring Assassin in, give her a nice oil change, drain the meth, connect the wire for the gauge. It's just a positive and a negative. I have it already hooked up, and then gonna do pump gas, then E85, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Right now, let's get Assassin in for an oil change. right now we're just working on drivability stuff. Just minor things. So that was to what, 6,000 RPMs?
7.
So
I can't see. I don't know my glasses on. What does it say on the bottom of the graph there?
6,100. All the way. Holy crap. Gonna get a little bit on the not wrecking side, but we'll see what we can do here. Boost is up. The 85 is in. Let's go. And that is on approximately 26 psi. 26. How much was that? 26 or 27 psi?
Well, yeah, it's 25 to 26 pounds.
25 to 26 psi. And Assassin made over 700 horsepower and a lot of torque. Holy! I created a monster. I created a freaking monster! So, all we did was to just went up one degree of timing, no boost, still at 25, 26 psi. So we just kind of play with the timing a little bit. Like I said, 1 to 2 degrees, and we'll see what happens. Justin in there is nervous as hell. Hey, you nervous? He's more nervous than I am. But I mean, if you're gonna mess up, you're gonna mess up. You can't stop it from happening. So let's do it.